Hey guys, I just got this lock in the mail today from Bosnianbill. It's a Brinks Shrouded stainless steel padlock. It's a 6-pin lock. Here's a key. You can see it works. All the bottom pins are serrated, and it has security pins, and they're spool serration hybrids. But anyway, we're going to be picking it today with 2 tension wrenches. You have to use 2 because it's a pretty wide keyway, and if you put in one, it'll just bind. There's going to be a little thin one right here, and the main one, the twist flex. And we're going to be using a short hook here. But anyway, let's get going. You can see there's a falset. But anyway, let's just pick all the rest of these security pins. Go to the back. It's kind of has a pretty tight keyway, so you have to be careful not to overset or unset pins. Let's go to the back. Got a little counter rotation there. Let's pick that one. Go on to the next one. And there it is, got it. Alright, that's all there is for now. Please comment, rate the video if you'd like, and I'll see you again later. Peace.